Welcome back. Fintech company Angel One, formerly known as Angel Broking, has launched the Super is Here campaign. It is an AI-powered campaign that aims to encourage and empower billions across the country to leverage the power of data and technology in their wealth creation journey with Angel One Super App. We have Prabhakar Tiwari, Chief Growth Officer, Angel One Limited, speaking about their campaign and the app and how are millennials and Gen Zs investing today. Prabhakar, welcome to Storyboard.
Thank you.
Your Super is Here campaign, the genesis of the campaign. How did you arrive upon the insight and how was this super app that Angel has that was created?
Right. See, I mean, this super app was long time in making and very anticipated from our side. You know, despite being a market leader in fintech, somewhere our tech superiority story has not come out so strongly because we were not a digitally born business. So, and also we have been in this business for almost 3 decades.
Yeah.
So last we did a rebranding exercise in 2021. It was more to increase the brand appeal towards the Gen Z and young millennials. And the whole idea was to create a new brand world and come out with Angel One brand name, which can allow us to go into multiple fintech products. But the real work was on in terms of product and technology. So we were working a super app with a philosophy of speed, security and reliability. And finally we got that super app somewhere in Q4 last year. And I will tell you, a lot of our competition, they still have a new app and old app, but we were the only company which can 100% migrate the business of our size to a new super app within a quarter. And then we took a Q1 to stabilize that business. And in Q2, we are out with our campaign.
Yeah.
If you look at this campaign, it has a feel of excitement and announcer feel. We are trying to tell people that, take interest in this category. The entire investing experience can be very simple, can be very smart.
And since you mentioned also Gen Zs and how, you underwent a rebranding exercise, early on to appeal to the Gen Zs and the millennial consumers. So if you can share with us, what are the key trends and how is the Gen Z and the millennial consumer investing today, especially, their interest and outlook towards, serious investment has particularly changed after the pandemic?
Totally. I think you're absolutely right. They come with their own preferences and values. What I mostly like about the investment thing is that they're oriented towards financial education. So unlike the older generation, they are very proactive in going for the blogs, podcasts and videos to educate themselves. So this is one thing I really, really appreciate. And we have seen it with our Smart Money app that and our knowledge center in the web that they actually go for this kind of content. Second thing is their short-term investment horizon. Many of them are very young with not lots of money, and they also want a second source of income. Many times it happened during pandemic, when they were out of job or they were not getting placed, right? So their FNO orientation is higher in that sense. The third thing is that, they look for low cost and passive options, so for example, they will go for ETF and index fund investing and all of that. And the fourth and the most important thing are they're very, very tech oriented. So their ability to leverage, say, a robo-advisory or their focus on mobile app, unlike the, desktop, laptop, web applications of earlier generation, that's mind-boggling.
So investing on the go is what you are saying.
Yeah, investing on the go. That's what Gen Z is all about.
So are you finding your next headroom for growth in these tier 2, tier 3, tier 4 markets, and also how are you tapping into this, these consumers?
Okay. See, for last almost 3 years, I'm seeing 90% of our customers are coming from tier 2, tier 3. And we are continuously kind of looking at 500,000 plus customers coming our way. In fact, in the month of July, we were able to acquire 6 lakhs plus customers, right? And the headroom for growth for us is not just in brokerage business, which is eventually under-penetrated, but also the fact that we have a direct mutual fund business, which is growing a lot. Within the end of this year, we'll get into lending business. And we already have an in-principle approval of AMC business. So if you look at brand Angel One, where the super app campaign is just a start, is going to be a mega brand, master brand, most trusted fintech brand with multiple fintech products available within the super app.
Chalo, it's been a month since the super app has been launched. Can you share with us how are consumers using the app today?
July was as high as 6 lakhs plus customer. Let me tell you, August will be more stronger than that. In the month of July or since the start, we have seen 10x jump on our SIP numbers. Lot of SIP first, SIP only customers are coming to our fold. In the month of July, we were the second company with the new SIPs. And if I talk about our active installed base, since the launch of the super app, we have seen 35% growth. If I talk about daily active users, again another 40% growth. And if you look at NPS, which is the holy grail for all product-oriented organization, and for us also, we have seen a 2x jump. So it's a long journey ahead, and marketing campaign is just a part of it. And our customers are already very happy using it, and we want more customers to enjoy our super app.
Yeah, long journey ahead. All the best for that. Thank you so much. Thanks for speaking to us today.
Thanks a lot, Shivani.
With that, it's a wrap on Storyboard this week. You can catch all of our content on Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. Thanks for watching. We will be back same time next week. See you soon.